Alright, let's start part 2 of Solidity Beginner's Guide. Since this is a beginner tutorial, I am going to create a basic smart contract and deploy it on the smart chain. However, at the same time, I want to share some practical things which can be used in the real world. So I have decided to create two tutorials on how to create and deploy smart contracts. The first will be a basic tutorial with guiding through the basic format and process of creating and deploying smart contract, and I will be deploying it on the Ethereum blockchain. The second tutorial will be creation of our own custom token and deploy it on the Binance Smart Chain. I have already uploaded a video on Binance token creation, so if you are interested, you can find the link in the description or at the upper right corner of this video right now. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I have opened a Remix IDE, which is an official IDE for writing smart contracts for Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain in Solidity language. So I'm going to create a new contract by going into the contracts folder and clicking on the create new file icon. You can give it any name you want, but I'm going to name it as simple.sol since this is a simple smart contract. So yeah, so inside our Solidity file, I'm going to start writing our smart contract. The very first line of this smart contract would be pragma solidity and the version number we want to use to compile our smart contract. I want to use 0.0.0 as a Solidity version which I want to compile with my smart contract. Now I'm going to create our smart contract. And I am going to give it the name of simple. Inside the smart contract, I am going to declare a simple string variable, and I want it to be public, and its name would be message. After that, I am going to write our constructor, and the constructor will be public, and inside the constructor I'm going to set the message variable is equal to hello. So when we deploy our smart contract, the constructor will automatically be running and set our message variable to hello. Now I am going to write a new function which will take a string parameter as a message as a parameter and set it as a message in our message variable. Now the parameter which user have passed, I am going to get that message or that string and set it into the message variable like so. So that's it. Now our smart contract is ready. I know it's very simple, but this is how we write a smart contract. So now I'm going to deploy it and let's see what happens. So I'm deploying it on JavaScript VM and click deploy. So our contract is deployed successfully. Let's see. So now it's time to test our smart contract So let's check if the constructor is working as it should work. So let's click on the message. So it is returning hello. That means it is working properly, because we told the constructor to set the message variable to hello. Now let's set the message to a new string. Set message. So our message is set successfully. Now let's check the message. So hello there, I'm Solidity developer. So yeah, congratulations, we have created our very first smart contract successfully. Now I'm going to deploy it on the Ethereum blockchain. So let's do that. Let's deploy it with Injector Web3, and my MetaMask will pop up and ask to connect with the remix ID. So next, and connect. So now my MetaMask is connected with the remix ID. So currently I am on Ring-P test network, which have 18.75 ethers dummy coins. So I'm going ahead and deploy it on the Ring-P test network. My MetaMask extension appears and it says that this much Ethereum will be deducted from my account as a deployment fees. So I'm going to confirm it. It will take some time. Okay, so our smart contract is deployed on the Ring-P test network. Our transaction is confirmed and done. So here is our smart contract and our message, it is working. So let's new message. Now on the VM machine we don't need to pay ether, because we are working inside our virtual machine or inside our browser. But whenever we try to write something on the real blockchain or in test network, it will deduct some fees which is called gas. This is basically a transaction fees which Ethereum charge whenever we try to write something new or we try to update something on the blockchain. So as I have clicked to set message, my MetaMask extension will pop up and it will say that this transaction will take this much ether to deploy on the blockchain. So I'm going to confirm it, and our transaction is successful. One transaction confirmed, and now we can see our message. This is on the Ethereum Ring-P test network, right? So now we can see our smart contract on Ring-P test network as well. I'm going ahead and copy the address of our smart contract here and go to Ring-P test network. Go to Ring-P test network and paste our. So this is our smart contract, and our set message transaction happened 3 minutes ago, and this is some other information. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to create our very own custom token on Binance Smart Chain. So if you like, please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Thank you.